Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 965 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now I recommend to download and install the Connect IQ store application on the phone that is paired with our watch, because this application allows us to download additional watch faces and it makes it a lot easier. To download the Connect IQ store, we need to have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Then we can open the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Connect IQ store and tap on search. And you should see this application, Connect IQ Store by Garmin. Tap on the install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open button to open it. In the app, tap on welcome, continue, check the box and tap on next. Allow the required permissions if you see the pop-ups. And now you should see the Home IQ page. And this is the home page of the IQ store, and here you have different categories of apps and watch faces you can browse through. I'm gonna narrow my search only to watch faces, so I'm gonna tap on search and select the watch face category right here. And now I have a list of watch faces I can choose from. So scroll through the list, find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, you can tap on it to see the description, ratings and stuff like that. So look through the watch faces. Once you find the watch face you like, you see the description. You have this big install button and you can tap on it to install the watch face, but before that you can also check if the watch face is compatible with your watch. And to do it, find the option called compatible devices, tap on it, and here scroll through the list, find the Forerunner 965. It should be somewhere here on the list. I guess it's not, which is interesting. So I guess this watch face won't work with this watch. Interesting. Let's find something else. Maybe this one. Okay. Let's see. Oh. And here we have the 65. Okay, so this one is compatible with our watch, so we can tap on install, allow the required permissions, and let's wait until it's done installing. And once it's done installing, you will see the pop-up that the watch face has been installed. It should be applied on your watch. If you go back, it will be applied. Sometimes the installation takes a lot of time because it's in the queue, maybe something is updating, so it might take some time in some cases. And if you want to check the list of watch faces installed on your watch, you can tap on device right here in the Home IQ store, tap on my watch faces, and here we have the list of watch faces we installed, and you can tap on them and to see the description again and stuff like that. Okay, and once you're done installing the watch faces, you can close the Connect IQ store, and that's how you install additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.